Alright, climate change. So basically, climate change is when a certain climate shifts because of the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is when the sun shoots off heat or energy. It goes on Earth and gets reflected, but unfortunately, that's not how it is. You see, human activities release a lot of carbon from energy sources that use substances like coal and fossil fuels. When the carbon gets released into the air, it stays in the atmosphere, and when the sun shoots off its energy, it bounces. But there's a lot of carbon in the air, so the energy gets blocked by the carbon, or more specifically, greenhouse gases. So in short, more greenhouse gases equals hotter temperatures. There are 4 major greenhouse gases: carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane, and fluorinated gases. This is the major reason why climate change happens. What happens if we don't take action, and what's at stake? Sea levels rise in cities like Miami, Bangkok, Fort Lauderdale, and New York will all be submerged by 2050. Stronger storms are caused by distinct temperatures, and unfortunately this causes flooding, which destroys houses. Diseases like malaria will expand and spread as climate change and global warming worsens over time. More droughts will happen, and that causes farming to be more difficult because there's not much water, and we need water to farm and grow food, so we don't have a lot of food. What can we do? Please save energy at home. If you're not using an electronic and it's on, turn it off! Switch to an electric vehicle because electric cars don't produce fossil fuels. Eat more vegetables. I know, you might be disgusted, but this can prevent climate change. How? I don't know. Don't waste food because when it rots, it produces methane, and methane is a greenhouse effect. Use renewable energy sources like wind or solar panels. Instead of driving a car, use a vehicle like a bike or just walk.